Hi there. In this video, I want to show you how you can create mock-ups for your digital clip art files and things of that nature that you create. Over the last couple days, I've done videos showing you how you can create mock-ups with Kittl and with my designs. So this video, we are going to do Canva. All right. So I have a blank design ready here, and I have 5 pages that I've created. And to start making your mockups, you're going to go over here on the left-hand side of your menu, click on Apps, and search for mockups. Okay, and it'll pop up right there for you. And now you will see a whole menu full of mockup templates. Okay, I'm going to go into Popular right now. It says See All. I think I'm going to take this mug. And we are going to make this larger so it covers our page, our design page. Then I'm going to scroll down to the number 2 page, and we're going to look through here again, see what we have. There's like a little journal. We're going to use that. We're going to make that big and bring that over a little bit more. Now we'll go down to page 3 and we'll see what else we have in here. Let's use this woman wearing a t-shirt. Yep, this girl wearing a t-shirt. We're going to make that a little larger. Okay. And on page 4, now you don't have to use the popular ones. You can scroll through and they have packaging templates, house and home templates, all sorts of things. But for this video, I'm just going into the popular because I can find everything I want in there. If you are looking for a specific template, you might want to go through here. Like if you're want to put an image on a computer screen or something of that nature. Down here is home and living. They have a bunch of stuff. In fact, I think I am going to grab this pillow for our final design. Okay. All right, now we have that centered. Okay, so we have our 5 templates ready to go. Okay, now we're going to go over to Uploads, where we have our images, and I am just going to drag these over. You drag one and drop it right on top of the frame area, the one that shows the grass and the sun. Drop your image there, and it will create your mock-up. So I'm going to go down to the next page. And for this one, I think I'm going to use this cute little skunk. Drag him over, drop him right on top of the frame. And there we have that. Now, let's do the raccoon on her shirt. It's in place. And for the tote bag, let's do the hedgehog. Okay. And for the pillow, let's do the porcupine. We'll drag that over. And there you go. You have your mock-ups all done. Now you can just download this as a zip file and then upload these images to your website, to your Etsy shop, wherever you want to list these digital products or these print-on-demand products for sale. Okay, so that was really simple, really fast to do this. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. You'll also find in the description a 30-day free trial for Canva. If you don't already use Canva, take advantage of the free trial and see how you like it. Okay, so I will see you next time. I hope you guys found this helpful.